The Bases widget contains the list of markets found by the Crypto Base Scanner algorithm. It is a great assistant if you want to find a market with strong support levels. First of all, you need to create a filter preset. To do it, click the settings icon. Then click the plus to create a preset. Enter the name and click Save. Turn the filters on. Click Add to add an exchange and select the one you want to use. Then select the currencies from the list. You can add more exchanges and currencies if you click Add again. The next step is to set a 24-hour volume range for the market. You can set it either in BTC or USD. Now you need to define the drop range. Usually traders are interested in drops starting from 3% and deeper. Success rate is the percentage of the times the price dropped more than 3% below the base and returned back to the base, which we also consider as the respected base. Note that for the active market, success rate can never be 100%, because at least one base is not respected when it's active. You can also set the maximum days it takes on average for the price to return to the base. Finally, make sure to save your preset by clicking the Save icon. Now you can just wait for the markets to appear on the list. On the Active Bases tab, you will find a list of markets with market name, the 24-hour volume in USD and BTC, the success rate, how much time ago the base has been cracked, the current drop percentage, and the median drop percentage. To select a particular market, just click the market name from the list. This will replace your currently open market. You can also right-click the market item to open the market. It will replace the current one, open in a new tab, save the base, and later you can find it on the Saved tab of the Bases widget, hide the base if you have already checked it and don't want to see this base crack again, copy the market name, add the market to the watch list, or assign a color tag in the watch list. If you want to find the exact market or explore other markets on your exchange that are not in the list, go to the Exchange tab, select the exchange you need, and find the market on the list.